You know who this is, man.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, quick little update on where we're at as far as car stuff goes and what we're going to be doing today. So, motor's out, car's chilling, the new gearbox. Hey guys, this is my second attempt at saying, hey, this is what I'm doing on the car today. The battery ran flat on the GoPro, so I just decided to jump in and start, you know, getting into it, playing with the car. As you can see, oh, beautiful teal covered Project Moo pads. That's the rear set there. These are the fronts. Yeah, going through, doing that now. That's what you're gonna see. These are the best street pads that you can get for any car, honestly. Brembo, gone. Aki Bono, don't even worry about them. Project Moo, that's what you want, all right? Gonna be a little bit of noise apparently from the reviews online, but it happens, whatever. Have a little bit of noise for race car brake pads. So, that's what we're doing today. I got these really good from a joint called Garage Moo. So look them up, maybe try and get a hold of the guys there and get yourself a set of the best car street pads that you can get. All right, lunchtime now. Looks like my little chicken's a bit thirsty. Just trying to drink out of the end of the hose. These chickens do the craziest stuff. Here's my girl Colonel, my other girl Big Red. Gonna sit down. All right, good girl. So, yep, a little bit of a roadblock. Those are not the same brakes. So I need to get in contact with my guy and chase up the right pair of brakes, but it happens. All right, so the brakes are on hold at the moment, but my buddy Damo just called me and he's got something cool for us to go and check out. So I've just pulled up at the workshop. I'm just gonna go have a little peek and see what he has got himself into. Dude, this is unreal. Spaceship fucking mode, man. Alright, it's the next day. Heading over to the shop now to get the new brakes, and then we're getting the front brakes chucked into the Skyline. And we just made it back. Luke, I know that you're watching this, so thank you again so much, man. Better go and chuck these in the car now. Alright guys, so that is basically going to be that for the front set of brakes. Going to clean it up with a bit of brake cleaner, new pads, they've been rebuilt, new rotors. It's pretty much, I'm just going to handle the other side now, but you don't really need to see that. And then that'll be it for a full, I'll be happy, you know, that the car's going to stop when I put my foot on the brakes now, and it'll be way better than the factory brakes would have been, so that's good. Took a, afterwards, going to bleed the brakes next, bleed the brakes. And I'll show you guys, I've got this U-Butte, is it a Tornado or a Toledo? Anyway, this thing's awesome. If you have an air compressor, get this tool. You can do the brakes all by yourself. It's one of the best tools that I've bought, and it was like $100. It's unreal. I just got mine from like my local Super Cheap or something. But yeah, show you guys how to do that next. All right, next, brake cleaner. Guys, if you're buying tins of brake cleaner, all right, I get it. I get that using 1 or 2 tins of brake cleaner is usually the economical way to go about it. It's how I used to do it. But as soon as you're diving deeper into all these jobs, you just get a 1 litre little pump spray bottle. Right, this is like a pretty good one apparently. And buy in bulk, because that whole 4 litre drum, or am I right? 4 litres, I think. 4 or 5 litre drum. 5 litre drum. It was like, I might have got it on sale, but it was like $14 or $15. So way cheaper. And a tin you'd normally get like 600 mil or whatever in the aerosol can. So as soon as you go through one of those, it's basically paid for itself. Something else to be mindful of. Okay, looks like I got a couple little apprentices to give me a hand. There's crap all over the floor. Are you guys gonna sweep and clean up at all? Alright guys, so just quickly getting set up now with the Toledo famous brake bleeder thing. Hopefully I'm in frame right now. But connect it to your air compressor. String it up however you want. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but definitely won't be able to hear it. But there's a vacuum on one end. Alright, what this is going to do, once you've loosened off the bleed nipple and fitted it over it, so what it does is there's a vacuum right now inside the bottle, and you can see I'm getting out all of the air as it's being pulled through the system. Look how easy that is. There you go. It's all that I've done. I'm just running it up because I don't want to get air in the system. And then there's a couple other things you can do as well. Like you just hit it with a couple little pumps. And that sort of shakes the system, right? You see tiny little pieces of, like tiny little air pockets coming through, right? And you're just gonna run this until air pockets stop coming out of there. All right, and then once you're happy and you're like, oh, okay, that's got to be most of the air out of my brake system, all you do, just go back, tighten up your bleed nipple, right? And then that's it. And the benefit of all this is that you don't need to have somebody sitting in the car. You know, I'm sure that I'm not the only person, you know, you've had like someone sit in the car, pump the brakes when you undo the bleed nipple until air stops coming out, and you like push it and hold it and then tighten it up and then now let it out. You know, you don't have to worry about any of that. This thing here, see how easy that was? Like I already had the air compressor pumped up and everything, and I'm sure not a lot of air got into the system while I was changing the pads, but that's like, oh, it's a one-man job now, and it does brakes and it does your clutch, pretty much anything that has that fitting on it, and it's so good. And here's another good thing, my good boy Leo. So that is going to be a wrap for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff as usual, and let me know what you guys think. Are you just gonna go out and get the Tornado famous bleed setup? It's pretty good. One last thing before I sign off. Basically at the milestone now, 99 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. It's actually really motivating for me to see that number climb so much this past month. I've been dropping a lot more shorts content, and I'm pretty sure that that's where most of my new subscribers have come from, but it makes me feel really good to see. So we're at 99. Hopefully if you hit subscribe, we're gonna hit 100 or more, depending on when you know, whoever's the lucky number 100, you know. Yeah, make sure that you comment, and yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll keep posting more videos because we're getting there. All right.